it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This is Stitch Fix number 20, I believe. I've gotten a few stylists, like different stylists lately. I know over the summer I had Jenny, I believe it was. Jenny went on maternity leave, and I guess Jenny never came back because I've had a couple different people since Jenny. So this box is not my favorite. I'll go ahead and say it. This box is not my favorite. However, there are a couple things about the pieces that I do like. I don't even know why I'm telling you this. Let's just get into the video. I'll show you everything, show you what it looks like on me, and then we can decide at the end if you like it, if you don't like it, if I should keep anything, if I should keep everything, you know what I'm saying? All right, so first thing I want to talk about are earrings. I love that they come in this like little Stitch Fix box. Like if you wanted to keep everything because it's cheaper and then re-gift it, right? Re-gift it. Gift it. It's not a gift to you because you bought it. You know what I'm saying? All right, so these are Kate Spade, like rainbow studs. How cute, right? These would be really cute with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. These say on the back regular price $38. We'll see how much they are in the box. They also come with like a little bag in here. I love these earrings. The jewelry that Stitch Fix sends tends to be a little bit on the pricier side, which it's good quality jewelry, but do I want to pay extra for it? You know what I'm saying? All right, so these Kate Spade square earrings are 38 bucks. They call them small square studs in pink. The first thing I want to show you is a dress. My stylist mentioned, hey, we couldn't find you any sequins pieces last time or this time, but they're still kind of looking for more like New Year's Eve inspired things to send me, which I appreciate. So I got this dress from Renee C, yeah. It's like a high neck, black lacy dress. It cinches in at the waist. It flares out a little bit. It's a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front, but not like weirdly noticeable. But I really like the fact that it is a little bit longer in the back because my backside, you know, I need a little extra fabric to cover everything. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this one is in a size, what, 2X. I like it, but I think that it's a little bit big. Do you know what I'm saying? Like this elastic part in the waist doesn't stretch at all to fit me. You know, like it just kind of sits on my body and it doesn't like suck it all in like I would like a elastic waistband to do, like an elastic waistband to do. All right, so this is called the Kris lace dress in a size 2X, and it's $68. Next are a pair of jeans. These are the brand Leela Ryan. They're in a size 22, and I wondered if maybe she sent, I think my stylist this month is Liz. I wonder if maybe she sent Elizabeth, yeah, this size because Leela Ryan tends to run a little snug. I have a couple pair of shorts that I got over the summer from Stitch Fix in this brand. Sorry, my nose is itching. Yeah, I've got a couple pair of Leela Ryan shorts that are in a size 18 and they're a little snug. So these are in a size 22. I absolutely love this color. Y'all know I've been into this color lately. They're a little bit big in like the lower stomach, like crotch area. They kind of have a little bit of extra fabric there. But I guess, I'm pretty sure if you washed them, that would go away. They're a great length, but I think that this ankle doesn't taper enough for me. It kind of flares out a little bit. Granted, these would be great to tuck in some like camel colored boots, like nude boots. But I think they're just a little bit big for me. And there's also not a note from Liz saying, hey, we sent a bigger size because of this, which is kind of weird to me. These are called the Liza Skinny Jean in dark pink, and they're $88. Next, we have a top. This was probably my most favorite thing in the entire box. This like mesh sleeveless, yeah, that's the word, mesh sleeveless black top. And it's a weird material. It's like I have no idea how to describe it, but like a really soft suede-y type material. I think this fit great. The only thing that's kind of weird to me is, I guess, do you wear a black bra with it so that it's a black strap? Because I tried it on with a nude bra, so, but you could still see the strap because it's a strap on your shoulder. Or do you just wear a strapless bra? Or do you wear no bra? You know what I'm saying? This fits great. This is the brand 41 Hawthorne in a size 2X. It's called the Gozo Mesh Detail Blouse. $44. All right, last thing that came in the box is another velvet jacket. Is it velvet? It is not velvet. It is faux suede. This is Honey Punch in a size 2X. Do y'all remember last box I got this like velvet or maybe faux suede jacket that was like, oh, I loved it, but it was $118 or $138. Like, I just couldn't justify it because I couldn't do it. So I mentioned that to my stylist whenever I filled out the profile or the return receipt saying, hey, this is why I didn't keep things, that it was a little pricey. So I have this version. It does have a collar on it. The other one didn't. And it does button. The other one didn't. There's also fake pockets. This one is in a size 2X. I think it's a little snug when it buttons. So it kind of looks like it pulls a little bit, so you would need to leave it unbuttoned. But this to me, I don't know. It's just, I don't know if I really like it as much as the other one. I think because with this like collar on it, it reminds me more of like a business jacket versus like one you would throw over like a black lacy top or like a sequin something and wear out like to dinner or something. It kind of reminds me of more like a fancy business type jacket. All right, so now let's recap. Everything in the box is $326. Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. So that brings the total to $244.50. So I could keep everything in the box for $244.50. Now, we know that not everything is for me. So this velvet jacket, as much as I want to like it, it's not doing it for me. The dress, I think, is just a little bit too big in the waist, so we're going to send that one back. These pants are also a little bit big, and I kept a pair of were they velvet or suede, like burgundy, cut from the cloth jeans. Where did I get those from? I think I got them from Fashion, but I just kept those. So I don't need another pair this color either, plus these are a little bit big. Now to this top, I love it, and I think it would be great for layering for a date night in winter. But do I like it because it's my favorite out of the box, or do I actually like it if it were a standalone at a store by itself? Would I buy it? That's the question I like to ask myself. And then these earrings. I love them, but $40. Ugh, I don't know if I can do $40. Stitch Fix also will credit you your $20 styling fee for whatever you keep. So $82 for these two is a lot of money. I mean, yeah, you get $20 off, but still, that's a lot of money. I don't think I've mentioned this on YouTube, but I am in week 6 of personal training. And so I have so many clothes already that I'm almost leaning towards not purchasing any new ones because my body is changing and I need to wear the clothes that I already have. Do you get what I'm saying? Granted, I could keep purchasing things and then do like a big Poshmark like closet sale, which is what a lot of y'all would probably want me to do. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. If you haven't tried it, I say this probably every single Stitch Fix video. This is by far my favorite clothing subscription box. However, Trunk Club is getting up there. So I also have an entire playlist of my Stitch Fix videos. So now there will be 20 videos in that playlist. Click it. You can watch them all from day 1 to this day and just grab a snack because you'll be there for a while. All right. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.